there, and welcome again to Unboxing Canada with a new box. Here the box. Let's open it together. I think I'm opening from the wrong side. I think I have to open it from here. So here it is. This is the box. So it is open. Let's see what is in here. Oh, a big box inside of a small box. What is that? Is that like a fooling or what? What is this? Where do I open it from? Okay, let's open it from this side. Okay. This is it. Okay, open, and let's see what's inside here. There's nothing. Ew, it is here. What is that? It's so small in a lot of boxes. What is that? Let's see. Let's open it and see. Okay. What is that? I frankly don't know what is this at all. Now I know what it is. It is a watch. Here it is. It's an Apple Watch. That's cool. Is that under my name or under my brother's name? Okay, that's called. It's an Apple MC82VCA watch Series 1. 42mm space PL. That's the name of it. So that's really cool watch. I love Apple Watches. That's cool. Wow. Cool. What is this in behind here? Is that the lights that gets... So this is how you attach it from here. Alright. So that's how it is. It's an Apple Watch. Thank you guys for watching and following our videos, subscribing, liking, commenting below. I really appreciate that. I need to get the phone. Have a good day. Hi there, and welcome to Unboxing Canada again with a new box. We're gonna open it right now. So, do I open it?
Yeah.
No? Okay, you can come and do it.
Let's go.
We got new guys who are gonna help us to open this box right now.
Me.
But take care, watch.
Is
Watch
it a
out.
car?
Okay, I'll leave the camera for them.
No, it's not my car.
No, shoo.
They're taking over. You can sit down, go ahead.
The kids are taking over the world.
Take care of the Caesar, man.
Okay.
Ooh.
Bro, what do you think this will be?
I think it will be your car because it's
No, it's not. That's from something else. That's from another website.
Maybe I can just do.
Yeah, maybe we can.
Oh, we could go.
Bro. Uh-oh. No, don't take it out yet. Don't take it out yet. Take all the other. Yep, that's the only thing. So guys, this is what's here. It looks like an iPad here.
Looks like.
Pause the video. Pause the video.
So I think I would need this, please. Oh, I
No,
don't
you
actually.
You can just, yeah.
Oh, I love these popping things. Ooh, now look at this. So let me
Don't rip it
take
off. Don't
it
rip
out.
the bag.
Okay,
Don't
wait.
rip the bag.
Okay,
Wait,
guys.
let me show them it. Okay, we're doing it the wrong way. Okay, guys, this is how it
That's you breaking it.
works. Yo, what's up?
Bro, can I hold it? You did the other thing.
There you go.
Okay, so there's an iPad. Let's show you guys what it is. So
Oh.
here is where you put the SD card, I guess. And here's where you put the SIM card.
You guys doing unboxing or breaking it?
I don't know. Okay, so there's Samsung right here.
Is there another box?
It's Samsung. It has a camera right here, the on and off
What
button, and
Did it went off?
the volume button thingy.
Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like.
And hit that notification bell.
Bell, yes. Let's put this back here.
Hey, goodbye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.